Learn English to Hindi feelings, time pressure, stress, doubt in
Hindi.
Welcome to the emotional circus. Hey, you are about to learn some very useful Hindi words for stress, pressure, worry, and sweet glorious relief. And yes, this chapter is more fun than a spreadsheet having a panic attack. Imagine this. You wake up late, your phone battery is at 1%, your tea is too hot, your sock is mysteriously wet, and your brain says, "Excellent, let us feel everything at once." That is the perfect moment to learn today's words. In Hindi, time pressure is
समय का दबाव.
stress is
तनाव.
tension is also often
तनाव.
overwhelm is
अभिभूतता.
relief is
राहत.
worry is
चिंता.
doubt is.
संदेह.
You do not need to master them all in one breath. Unless you are a language learning superhero, in which case, please continue heroically. Meet the deadline monster. Let's start with the villain of modern life. You probably know this creature already, even if you know it mostly through aggressive calendar notifications. When the clock starts chasing you like it wants rent money, that is
समय का दबाव.
meaning time pressure. Say it with me.
समय का दबाव.
One more time, but like you are late for a train.
समय का दबाव.
Example. I work badly under time pressure. In Hindi, maim.
समय का दबाव.
Mem thika se kama nahim karata. Example. The team finished the project under time pressure. In Hindi, tima ne.
समय का दबाव.
Mem pariohana puri ki. Tiny memory trick.
समय.
Means time, and
दबाव.
means pressure. So,
समय का दबाव.
is literally time pressure. Convenient, right? Stress enters wearing dramatic music. Now the clock monster invites its noisy cousin. This one loves exams, deadlines, traffic, and existential thoughts at 3 in the morning. The Hindi word for stress is
तनाव.
Say it slowly.
तनाव.
Good. Now say it like a wise yoga teacher who has seen things.
तनाव.
Example. Stress can affect your sleep. In Hindi.
तनाव.
Apaki ninda ko prabhavita kara sakata hai. Example. Too much stress is unhealthy. In Hindi. Bahuta adhika.
तनाव.
Asvasthakara hai. Useful everyday line.
तनाव मत लो.
That means, don't take stress, or more naturally, don't stress. If your shoulders are climbing toward your ears, your email inbox has become a horror film, and your snack break has turned into a strategy meeting, congratulations, that is
तनाव.
tension, the twin with the same name. Here is a sneaky little detail. In many learning contexts, tension and stress can share the same Hindi word. The word tension can also be
तनाव.
context decides the exact shade of meaning. If the room feels tight, awkward, serious, or emotionally stretched, you can often use
तनाव.
Example. The tension in the room was obvious. In Hindi, kamari mem.
तनाव.
Safa da. Think of a rope pulled too tight. That mental picture helps.
तनाव.
When life becomes too much. Now let's level up from ordinary stress to the grand buffet of too many tasks, too many choices, and too many tabs open in your brain. The Hindi word for overwhelm here is
अभिभूतता.
Yes, it is a longer word. Do not panic. That would become another lesson. Say it in chunks.
अभिभूतता.
Together.
अभिभूतता.
Example idea. Too many messages, a ringing phone, boiling milk, and somebody asking where the charger is. That heavy flooded feeling is
अभिभूतता.
mini dialogue. A. I have too much to do. B. That sounds like
अभिभूतता.
Single quote. This word suggests more than just stress. It feels like your mind is carrying 7 bags, 3 laptops, and 1 emotional watermelon. Then comes glorious relief. Good news. Language chapters, like difficult Mondays, eventually improve. Here comes one of the nicest words in the set. The Hindi word for relief is.
राहत,
Say it with a long exhale.
राहत,
Example. I felt relief after the exam ended. In Hindi, Pariksa Katma Hone Ke Bada Mujhe.
राहत,
Mahazusa way. Example. The rain brought relief from the heat. In Hindi, Barisa ne garmi se.
राहत,
D. Funny image. You think you lost your phone, you search dramatically, accuse the sofa, blame modern society, and then discover the phone in your hand. That deep breath of
राहत,
is very real. A nice short line is,
मुझे राहत मिली,
which means, I got relief, or, I felt relieved. Worry starts whispering. Not all emotional words shout. Some just sit quietly in the corner and overthink everything. That is where worry lives. The Hindi word for worry is.
चिंता,
Say it clearly.
चिंता,
Example. Worry can keep you awake at night. In Hindi,
चिंता,
Apako Rata Mem Jaga Sakati Hai. Example. I feel worry before the exam. In Hindi, Pariksa se pahale mujhe.
चिंता,
Hoti hai. Mini dialogue. A. Why do you look nervous? B. I have.
चिंता,
About tomorrow. If.
तनाव,
Is the loud drum.
चिंता,
Is the quiet mosquito. Small, annoying, and strangely active at night. Doubt at the crossroads. Last word, and it is the one that raises one eyebrow, taps its chin, and says, but are we sure? The Hindi word for doubt is.
संदेह,
Say it once.
संदेह,
Again, like a detective examining a suspicious biscuit.
संदेह,
Example. I have a doubt about the answer. In Hindi, Mujhe utara ke bair mem.
संदेह,
Hi. Example. Her face showed doubt. In Hindi, USA ke siher para.
संदेह,
Dika raha da. Mini dialogue. A. Are you sure? B. No, I have.
संदेह,
Single quote. A quick contrast helps.
चिंता,
Is worry, while
संदेह,
is doubt. Worry feels emotional. Doubt feels uncertain. A tiny story you will remember. Now let's put all the words into one playful story. Just listen and picture the scene. Ria wakes up late on the morning of a big presentation. The clock stares at her with pure.
समय का दबाव,
On the bus, she feels.
तनाव,
Because her slides may be wrong. In the meeting room, the silence is full of.
तनाव,
Again, this time meaning tension. Then her boss asks for 3 extra reports, 2 charts, and 1 impossible smile, and suddenly Ria feels total.
अभिभूतता,
She starts to feel.
चिंता,
About the result and even.
संदेह,
About her own answer. But then, miracle of miracles, the projector works, the client likes the idea, and someone brings tea. At last, Ria feels.
राहत,
Honestly, tea deserves its own chapter. Quick recall challenge. You are doing great. Let's test your memory fast, before your brain pretends it needs a snack break. What is time pressure in Hindi?
समय का दबाव,
What is stress in Hindi?
तनाव,
What is tension in Hindi in this lesson?
तनाव,
What is overwhelm in Hindi?
अभिभूतता,
What is relief in Hindi?
राहत,
What is worry in Hindi?
चिंता,
What is doubt in Hindi?
संदेह,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole emotional weather report in Hindi, and you survived with style. Today you practiced.
समय का दबाव, तनाव, अभिभूतता, राहत, चिंता,
And.
संदेह.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the words in tiny daily sentences, and come back to repeat them until they feel natural. You are doing better than you think, so no.
चिंता,
And definitely less.
संदेह